What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button. Come on and join the fun. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today I'm back with another hair DIY video. Now, y'all know it's Easter Sunday. On Sunday, today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday to you all.
Happy Hump Day.
Happy Hump Day. I hope you all have had a nice week. I hope you continue to have a nice week and a nice weekend. Blessed weekend. What we're doing today is a super duper cute Easter basket hairstyle on Amara again. And you guys know that I've done plenty of hair videos and crazy looking, fun looking, cute and creative looking hairstyles on Amara.
Of course. I have long hair.
Yeah.
Nobody in this family has long hair.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
This is just, you know.
Weave, the same thing she's going to have in her hair today. Oh.
Daddy
but guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell to be notified each and every time I post a video. Give this video a fat thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Subscribe to Amara's channel. Click that bell at Amara's World. Comment down below. Make sure you share. Enjoy. As you can see, I blow dried her hair. I'm still gonna blow dry it some more once I get it parted down the middle. Well, we brought it on for the pressure. You'll only get me if I let you. No, you're doing this just for pleasure. Even learn me your rubber lesson. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I went more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're open with me. Oh, we could be good. Alright, sweetie, so right now I'm going to blow dry the puff a little bit more, so it's going to be a little more flat, and then I'm going to braid the weave into our puff. I am no professional hairdresser. I don't do that feed-in stuff and all that. We're just going to make it look nice. Okay, enjoy. So what I'm going to do is leave a piece of the weave out. Before I braided the weave, I meant to pull the ends, but it's okay, it'll work. I'll keep the same steps on this side as I did this side.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce. She drippin'.
So on this part, I don't know if I told you guys this, but on this part, I just put 2 rubber bands together and put it on the middle of the hair, and then I twist it, and then I put it onto her natural ponytail. Some of you probably really already know that, but some may not, so that's why I told you.
Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, you drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, you drippin' swag goo. Oh.
So now we're going to get into the fun part of the hairstyle. We're going to add our headband that we got from Dollar Tree. Wrap her braids around to form the actual basket. I'm going to take the strips of the hair that I left out and wrap them around the
Headband.
The headband.
Give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow.
Okay, so that's the reason why I left out 2 strands. You can see it did not cover the entire headband. So what I'm going to do is wrap the other piece around to meet up with this piece and cover it. So I'm just going to continue wrapping my wax on the hair to lay it down. I'm going to now wrap her braids around to form the actual basket. I'm also going to use the bobby pins that I purchased from Dollar Tree to secure the basket. So this part, I'm going to, as you can see, I still have the black scrunchie here. So I'm just going to lift a piece of it and slide this braid through the scrunchie. And then I'm going to secure with more bobby pins. So this is what it's looking like so far. All right, sweetie, so what I have to do now is I have to wrap this ribbon through the holes of each egg that I'm putting in the Easter basket. So what I'm doing with the eggs is I'm just going to open them up.
You be scared?
And there's 2 holes. I'm going to choose a hole.
My hair looks so pretty.
I cut a diagonal in the ribbon so it's easier to get inside the hole. Sorry, I know you guys probably can't see that too well. But then I just stick it inside the hole. And I pull. And I put them on the string just like this. Close all the eggs at this point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the ribbon twice around the headband. And I'm going to put it as low as I can. Pull. And I'm going to do the same to the other side.
I ain't worried about them Oaklands over there, but they worry about me. I got a homeboy named Butter and another homeboy named Cheese.
So what I'm doing now is just taking my bobby pins and securing all the eggs down so they don't move too much.
Make it milk till it get down your knees. Stick the ish for real low, brain real low. Kiddo say he looks up to me, this just makes me feel old. Never thought that we could become someone else's kid.
All right, so now that I have the eggs inside the basket, I'm going to take the grass and just stuff it in between the eggs. I didn't fully secure the eggs because she still has to go to sleep for school tomorrow. So in the morning, that's when I'll add more bobby pins.
Man, we were just in the food court, eating our heroes. Yesterday, passed away. Every single morning I try to pray. Grandmama and them, they never forgot. Nothing else really mean nothing to me. I ain't studying the beat. Talking to me. Girl, where you go with me? Move on, ain't nothing to see. Always something soft, on the rock, off the rip. Cause of him, all of them will remember. But the minute that they fell in love with rap. Black like having your cousin back. Blue like when that Venus do. Cream like when I'm
Sweetie, so here's the finished Easter basket. How do you like it?
It's amazing. It's wonderful.
Give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow.